Wind turbines are powering the future of energy, but inspecting these massive structures efficiently, safely, and accurately has always been a challenge. Traditional wind turbine inspection methods are slow, risky, and resource-intensive. Inspecting turbine blades at extreme heights often requires manual access teams, cranes, or rope access specialists, leading to costly shutdowns, operational downtime, and safety challenges for maintenance crews. In many cases, small defects such as cracks, erosion, corrosion, or lightning damage can go unnoticed during manual inspections. Over time, these minor issues can develop into major structural problems, resulting in expensive repairs, reduced turbine efficiency, and unexpected failures. Inspectica TM transforms wind turbine monitoring and maintenance through an advanced AI-powered inspection platform. By combining high-resolution drone data with intelligent defect analysis, Inspectica enables faster, safer, and more accurate inspections across wind turbine assets. Using AI-driven workflows, every defect is digitally captured, analyzed, classified, and organized for efficient maintenance planning and asset management. Inspectica helps operators quickly identify critical issues, monitor defect progression, and make data-driven maintenance decisions with greater confidence. With over 95% defect detection accuracy, Inspectica identifies wind turbine defects faster while reducing fault response time by up to 70% and inspection costs by up to 60%. The result is improved operational efficiency, reduced downtime, enhanced worker safety, and longer turbine lifespan. Inspectica, redefining the future of wind turbine inspections. Thank you for watching.